Hello people, after getting my Phantom 4 Pro Plus, this is the page where I was stuck during activation. I was trying to connect Wi-Fi through my Oppo phone. I tried everything I possibly could but nothing worked. Then I searched all over the internet and found that many others had the same trouble as me and there was no clear solution which I could follow and get through. I even had my doubts if my RC had a problem connecting to the Wi-Fi. But to my surprise, I found that my 5D Mark IV, which was on at that time, was showing up in the RC display. After some trial and errors, I got past this page, and here's how. So here it is. Start, and then go to next. Next again. And then next. And here we select our country and region. For me it is India. So I scroll down. I found India there. And then I go to next. Here my Canon 5D Mark IV shows up, but not my Oppo phone. And then I actually switched off my Canon and then tried again to see if my Oppo phone shows up. It kept searching but nothing happened, so I then again picked up my Oppo phone and tried several other settings to see if my Oppo phone would pop up somewhere in the display. This is an InFocus M260 which I had discarded because I couldn't insert a SIM in the number 1 slot, and with the number 2 slot the internet wouldn't connect. I thought let me give it a try, so I charged it and got one of the SIM cards from the Oppo phone and got it started. Okay, this is my Oppo phone. I go to settings, then I go to the hotspot, enable it, and then I create a username and password. So I type in Matt, and then for the password I just type in DJI 3 times to make it easier, and there it connected. It got enabled. Then I go to settings, WLAN, I enable that and I see my name there. Okay, so my M260 is connecting. Here it asked for the password and I type in DJI 3 times. Connecting. Connected. Okay. And so here I am on the RC display. I see my name there, so I connect it using the same password, and there goes into the next page. I got the whole thing started and it was exciting because it was my first flight. I was just going through the intro pages. After activation, it may prompt you for IMU calibration and gimbal calibration as well, for which there are some clearly explained videos on YouTube which could help you in getting those done, after which you can fly. Hope you find my video helpful. Thank you and happy flying.